Good morning students. We will continue our exercise 10th B and chapter is in variation and direct and inverse proportions. See the question. First you have to tell relationship between the given variables as an equation that it has a relation. The volume V of a gas at a fixed temperature varies inversely as the pressure P. It means it is the inverse variation. It means that volume multiplied by pressure should be constant here. और we can say inversely proportional का मतलब होता है V proportional 1 upon P. The current I and electric current is of fixed voltage varies inversely as the resistance R. Then you can say IR is equal to constant or inversely proportional I proportional 1 upon R. Frequency f of an electromagnetic wave is inversely proportional to the length. It means f proportional 1 upon L, or you can say f into L is equal to constant. Second question, second type of question you can do easily. Now see the question number 5 of exercise 10th B. Question number 5C. The time needed to travel from one place to another is inversely proportional to the speed. Obviously, speed less than time taken more, or if speed high, speed more than time less. A person traveling 72 km per hour can go from Dehradun to Lucknow in 10 hours. That speed and time given to you. Speed of the train and time taken when speed is 72 km per hour. Then time taken 10 hours. How fast must the person travel to make the trip in 9 hours? Suppose it is equal to x. Then we know that speed more than time less. It means it has the relation of inverse variation. Then you can take like this also, that ratio of speed, ratio of time, ratio of speed like this 72 ratio x is equal to, now inverse, then firstly we write down 9 ratio 10. Then 72 multiplied by 10 is equal to x into 9. 72 into 10 divided by 9 is equal to x. 9 is the 72. It means x should be 80 km per hour. Or you can do by another method also, that we know that sum of these two multiplication of these two quantities equals to multiplication of this. Then also you will get the same result. So what we will do, firstly you write down the statements, then make the table and solve it. Now see another question, question number 8. A contractor who had a workforce of 630 persons undertook to complete a portion of stadium in 14 months. He was asked to complete the job in 9 months, then how many extra persons he had to employ? That is number of persons and number of days. In this we have the table, number of person, and number of days. When the number of persons 630, कि एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है जिसमें 630 persons जब वर्क कर रहे हैं, they are completing their work a portion of stadium in 14 months. उस स्टेडियम को कंप्लीट करने में उसे कितना 14 months लग रहा है. नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स वी कैन राइट डाउन. He was asked to complete the job in 9 months. से कंप्लीट अगर करनी है जॉब 9 months में, then how many number of persons required? Extra persons required. It means firstly we find out the number of persons required, then after we subtract from it or subtract it from that, then we find out the number of extra person. So what is the relation? How to number of, you can take this ratio, number of persons is equal to number of months. Then solve it. 630 multiply by 14 divide by 9 is equal to x, and we cut it. It means 980 persons required for complete this work in 9 months. But your question is how many extra persons are required. So extra person is equal to 980 minus 630 is equal to 350 person. That 350 person required, extra persons required to complete this work in 9 months. From the statement, firstly find out that this question is related to direct variation or indirect variation. Then start to solve it. Okay, one more question. Question number 12. Your question is, a besieged town has provision to last for 3 weeks. Its population is 22,400. How many people must be sent away in order that the provisions may last for 7 weeks? कि जब उसकी population है population number of days. A besieged town has provision to last for 3 weeks. 3 weeks के लिए जब प्रोविजन किया तब उसकी पॉपुलेशन है 22,400. हाउ मैनी पीपल मस्ट बी सेंट अवे, कितने पीपल को भेज देना चाहिए इन ऑर्डर दैट द प्रोविजन में लास्ट फॉर 7 वीक, कि ये जो प्रोविजन है वो कितने के लिए हो जाए 7 वीक के लिए. इट मीन्स सी, अगर पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा होगी तो वो प्रोविजन जो कितने टाइम के लिए रहेगा, कम टाइम के लिए रहेगा. If population we will do less, then it lasts for long time. It means it is the relation of inverse variation. Then we can take x. Firstly, we find out that how many population required here. So same thing we can do. 22,400 multiply by 3 is equal to x into 7. 7 3s are 21. 9600 only. That for the 7th week we need 9600 population. How many persons sent away? It means what we will do, number of persons sent away. कितने लोगों को भेज देना चाहिए 22,400 minus 9,600. 14 minus 6, 8. 11 minus 9, 2. That is 12,800 persons. We have to send away. Okay, now see one last question, your MCQs. The number of hours needed to clear the trees for some land is inversely proportional to the number of people who were working. If it would take 4 people 15 hours to do the job, how many people would be needed to complete the job in 6 hours? कि 4 persons, number of persons, number of days. 4 persons 15 hours लेते हैं, number of hours you can write down. 15 hours लेते हैं, then how many people would be needed to complete the job in 6 hours? It is already given to you in the statement that this relation is inversely proportional. It means we will do the same thing, that these two quantities multiplication should be constant. Then it becomes 60 upon 6 is equal to x, that is x is equal to 10 persons. It means 10 persons are required to complete this job in 6 hours. Okay student, now your 10th B exercise complete. In the next lecture we will discuss 10th C exercise related question. You complete your work in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.